Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm in my element today because I'm in a motorbike shop, but with a difference. It's a coffee shop, but they sell motorbikes. All little monkey bikes and like little, mostly monkey bikes, but I'm going to show you around. I've got myself an iced cappuccino, never had one before.
Across town, trying to get to you.
They have an array of motorbike helmets as well, but they're not array. See what I did there? Array. What a great little place.
Things came up, things went down, maybe turn back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew up, a hurricane right in my coffee cup, carried me far, far away, and that's why I couldn't make it today to a coffee shop date. Some X-rated thoughts of what I'd like to do to you. So I guess I can see how bad it runs.
Just to let you know where we are, just opposite is the outlet centre. So we've got the traffic lights here, so if you went up that road, that's Trepassy Road, where the market is. I love it. Something new, something different. I am fun, I am proud, I am me. So this is Cub House.
So I pick up the phone, dial your number on the tone to set things straight. Things come up, things go down, make me turn back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew up, a hurricane right in my coffee cup, carried me far, far away, and that's why I couldn't make it that's why I couldn't make it today. 'Cause a big storm blew up, a hurricane right in my coffee cup, carried me far, far away, and that's why I couldn't make it today to our coffee shop, Dave. Coffee shop day, a coffee shop day, a coffee shop day.
What's nice as well, even though you're on the main road. I've just bought these, look, just dropped them. I was gonna come to that and say I've just bought these and they're really nice. 55 baht, prawn chili paste, like bread, but crispy bread. Anyway, I was saying, yeah, you completely shut off from the noise of the traffic. You've got nice music going on, which I might have to put some of mine over the top. But while you're here, it's really nice. You don't hear any noise outside. And it's nice and air conditioned. Really nice place. Then seats are cool as well, the Honda seats. I like different. And it's different.
So I pick up the phone, dial your number on the tone to set things straight. Things come up, things go down, make me turn back around. My spider sense screaming that I'm mad. A big storm blew up, a hurricane right in my coffee cup, carried me far, far away, and that's why I couldn't make it today.
Well, tell you what, it's really nice coffee as well, which makes a big difference. You know, you can have places like this and you sit down, have a coffee and a croissant or whatever, and it's not very nice. You know, we were saying earlier that I find Thai coffee quite strong, so it was nice to come in here and it wasn't like knock your head off strong. It's really nice. So yeah, I recommend this place. It's on the main road. You can only park at the front because we tried to come in on the side entrance, but you can't. You have to come in on the front. So yeah, plenty of parking spaces and great music, great vibe. If you like little monkey bikes, come and have a look. Smash helmets as well. Guys, thanks for watching this one. I'll try and find some new different things along the way. But for now, thanks for watching. And as usual, love to Luke, Mia, Mum, Sis, and Jude. And I'll see you on the next one.
Coffee shop.